Can you put out Huber's flashing tape in 25 degrees? Why, yes we can. So you may ask yourself, can you put out zip tape when it's 25 degrees outside? Can you get your stretchy tape? Will it go? Can you stretch it? I've been getting some of that Greenland weather down here in Texas. It's so sticky. How sticky is it? It's pretty sticky. Some fun. Okay. Look, the thumb is stuck. There you go. Yeehaw. One of my favorite movies is Fiddler on the Roof. He says, I know we are the chosen people, but couldn't you have chosen somebody else? If I were a rich man. I am a rich man. Very rich. So rich, I got zip. See this right here? It puts little Z's so they can void your warranty if they don't see it. No, I'm only kidding. I'm only kidding, Huber. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. That's a joke. Did not mean that personally. Love this stuff. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Yippin' doggies rolling. Rolling, 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 right. Head 'em up. Yeah, baby, look at that. Almost as fun as my stretchy pants. Yeah. Ooh. Now I got my sills, 5 degree right here, so the water comes off. Because they will leak. Nice, huh? Put some Z's in there. Right here. Oh, we're gonna blow down some water. Man. It's like getting on my leather motorcycle pants. See that? Continuous seal. Can we zip it? Zip it! Zip it! Come on, everybody, and zip it. Folks, that's how we do a sill when it's 25 degrees outside. Maybe less than that. Ta-da! Yes, you can. There we go. Do. We got some mock-ups coming for the colors. Thanks to Nana Banana.